All right, here we go. We got Mini Brands Series 3 and Series 4 today. We are going to start with Series 3. We got 10 balls. I'm so excited. I'm hoping to finish my collection today. And then we got some of those awesome Series 4 where hopefully we will finally get a frozen moment. But we shall see. All right, let's go box number 1.
Gonna make it so I have to do this.
And then you pull the little teggy. Oh, even with fingernails, I can't open these things. Boom. And then let's go. Yay! All right, let's see what we got under door number 1. Oh, that is a big, look at the apple pie spice. How cute is that?
Big jar of apple pie.
But it's almost like real life size. All right, let's put him up there. Oh, we'll put him down.
That's not even close.
So cute.
After you, can I open mine?
Oh, we have a shopping cart. I'm just going to leave that to the side for now, because we have a ton of shopping carts. Oh, there's our collector's guide. And what fell out? We got crispy cocoa rice.
That's a duplicate.
That is a duplicate for us, but that is okay. We will put it up here. All right. Oh, we got my daughter's favorite candy, Hershey's Cookies and Cream. But that's good. You need duplicates for your store. Because stores usually have one of every product. More than one of every product. Oh, look at, oh, so cute. We got some Dum-Dums, limited edition. How cute is that? Here, oh, we'll stand them up right here so that people can see them. All right, and that's the end of number 1. Bottle number 2. Bottle number 2. Mini Brands Series 3.
Uh-huh. We got... Let's see.
Oh, cute.
What did we get? Ooh, what's this?
Oh, look at that. It's like a little sweetheart. That's cute. Those are some cute Valentine's Day candies. How cute is that? You gonna get another one out? Okay. Let's put that up there. So cute.
Oh my gosh, it's cute.
Oh, it's like all Valentine's Day stuff. How cute
This
is
is a glow in the dark. This is a glow in the dark.
Oh, well, it might be. They might have a version that's glow in the dark, and then there's one that's not.
Yeah. Is it glow in the dark?
I don't know, but that is adorable.
Yeah.
We'll put the Valentine's Day stuff right here together.
Got it. Okay. Oop.
Okay, Daisy.
Let me throw that off.
All right.
What have we got here? We got... Oh my gosh! Jello! Jello!
Oh, look at that. That is a big box of Jell-O.
So cute.
I swear they're getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
So cute. So cute. Oh, and then we got some Mentos.
So cute.
That is adorable.
Tiny Mentos.
Let's put these in. We got lots of candy right off the bat.
Oh, we have lots of that. Duplicate.
Well, it's not a duplicate today. We got a Baby Bell.
I already have this one.
I know, but
I'm showing you. Baby Bell.
super cute. All right, that was number 2.
Okay, here's another Series 3 of Mini Brands. Time to open it. Okay, we're opening the mini brands. Okay, pack number 1. We got a collector's guide. And who dropped out? Oh my gosh, it is Golden Crisp.
Ooh, so cute. Look at that.
So cute. Has a
Didn't
little
we have
dog on
another
it.
cereal? Oh, we have some cereal right here.
Yep.
The baseball.
Okay,
Put
so
that-
next up it is
all morning.
squeeze candy of
Ooh,
icy.
icy.
Look
It's
at-
so cute.
Okay, all these are making me hungry. Okay, let's start to open the other one. It is bags.
Oh yeah, you
Mini
get little bags
bags.
to go shopping in your store.
Yep.
So cute. Oh,
Now?
there's 2.
Oh, we already opened this one. This one. So we got the other one. We're gonna open this one. OMG, we got some little Bakers unsweetened chocolate.
Oh, so cute.
Let's see. Oh, now for the other one, we've got Jolly Ranchers. They're hard candies, so make sure you don't get your teeth lost. They are really hard though. Okay, I think we're done.
All done.
Here's mini brand probably number 3.
No, 4.
4, I think. I don't know. Let's open it up. See what's inside. Okay. Starting to open the mini brand. Come on. Only to do what Davey does. There you go. I poked it. Poked a hole. I needed to. So then I'm opening my mini brand. Gotta get it out. Just gotta open it fully. Okay, I see icy on it. Come on, I'm trying to get this open. There you go. Got the icy.
Ooh, that's new.
Oh, that's cute. I've been wanting that one.
Yes, a little icy. And then for this one, we got a
Oh, so there's
Duplicate.
duplicate.
yeah. So if you just each one has a little tab. You pull that little tab.
I know. It's just I needed to poke a hole. Aha, the collector's guide. I'm gonna put that over there. Put that to the side. Wow! Look at it. It's chicken wings. I'm just gonna put it right over with right here. I'm just gonna put it right over there. Then, wow! Look, it's wild strawberry. It is a crystal light, probably tea or something.
You have to make sure that you can see it on camera too.
Whoa, Mike, this is so
See?
After this, can we do one of
Okay, so we opened all the mini brands. Bye-bye.
One more.
One more?
Yeah.
Aha. We got
It looks like ice
Joe's-
cream, but it's lotion.
yes, it's
All
lotion.
right.
I'm gonna be opening Mini Brand Series 4 today.
Your little voice is adorable. We are hoping for some frozen moments. Does it not want to come off? All right, let's see what we got. Number one. Just play the thing.
We got some little Cheez-Its.
Ooh, Cheez-It. You may notice they're in a different order. We took a little break.
Yes.
We forgot about a birthday party, and so we're finishing up on a different day. And the second thing we got is, it looks like some juice. Ooh, Oh, is that lemonade? Oh, it's apple juice.
Oh yeah, so
Oh, it's
next
cute.
time I'm gonna be like, Ellie, do you want some apple juice? And she's gonna be like, yes, and then I'll just bring her this. And she'll be like, what?
Super cute. All right, and number 3. Got the collector's guide and Mounds chocolate bar. That's new. Look at that's cute. Got the Mounds chocolate bar. Ooh, that's nice and tiny. The other ones are pretty. That's cute. So cute.
We got
Some collagen.
collagen.
It's like what a weird thing to be in there, but yeah, we got some collagen. And very last one, we got some sunscreen. So cute.
Next one, I hope we get at least a
All
frozen
right.
moment.
Okay, here we go. Another ball. These are just... There you go. I feel like these are just getting kind of harder and harder to take off. Let's pray for that frozen moment. Those are so cute. And we have opened a lot of balls and have still... Okay. We still have not gotten one. It's like, what?
No, we only opened one balls of these. Only this
No.
kind of ball has.
We have opened several of series
Yeah, but
4.
yeah.
Ooh, apple slices. Here we go. First apple slice. Oh, we got the gum. Oh, look. You can hear that there's like something in there. Sugar-free bazooka. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Sorry, that is so cute.
Put that way in the front.
So cute. We're going to put that up here with the candy. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. Okay. Oh, we got some peeps. Yeah, we got some more. I think we have pink and purple already.
Yep. From our other videos.
We're still waiting for blue, I think.
For our other videos, we had another one of this.
They are still super cute.
Yeah, it's cute.
Oops. I feel like... Oh, there we go. Oop, that's new. What is that? Are those Pop-Tarts?
Pop-Tarts!
That's
Those
super
are my
cute.
favorite kind of Pop-Tarts.
Ooh, cookies and cream. Yummy. Did you find the bubbles? Oh my gosh.
These are so weird.
Those are super cute.
Yeah. Next time I'm going to be like, Ellie, do you want some apple juice? I can get it. And then she's going to be like, probably, yeah. And then
We got
I'm just going to get it.
some baking soda. That's exciting. Beep. Every refrigerator needs baking soda.
Yeah.
And I think our last one, we got a collector's guide here.
Twist
And we got some Twizzlers. That'll go great in our little food mart we have.
No, it's
Super
called
cute.
24 Mini Store.
Oh, 24 mini store.
We're opening another ball.
Mini brand series 4. The struggle is real.
Mom, pray for a frozen moment.
Frozen moments.
Mom, right now we'll take any frozen moment.
We really want what? The Pringles. We want the Pringles. Don't worry about the other stuff. We're all worried about that.
Oh, those are cute.
We got some drumsticks squishies. I don't think I have ever had any of those. But those look super cute. All right, let's put that down there. Then we get, we have, that's new. We got some detergent.
Another thing to swap out.
We can do some laundry. Super cute. We're gonna put it here with the All right, here we go. What's in number 3? What's in number 3?
Gold!
Ooh.
We got a golden one.
We got a gold one. Look at that. Ooh. Super rare gold one. That's our first, I think, gold. It's super heavy.
No, Mom.
You see how heavy that is?
Yeah, but no, I have another gold.
Oh, we have a gold Hershey syrup, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Oh, so cute.
Pray
Right.
for 1,000
Is
more.
that our last one? I doubt they're going to put a frozen moment and a gold one all in the same thing. But who knows? Oh, looks like we got some potato skins. I do love some potato skins. Yay. Those look yummy. All right, on to the next. All right, here we go. Another mini
Pray
brand
for
series.
1,000 moments. This is the last ball of this we have. We're not getting a 1,000 moment.
Ooh, this one was opened just beautifully. All right. Yay! Let's see what we got.
Give me some surgery over here.
All right, number 1. Number 1. We
Surgery.
got our collector's guide. Ooh, that's new. And some white Reese's. Oh, these are going to go great in our little store. Put those right down by the Mounds. Drumstick. I need the plastic. All right, what's in door number 2?
Vitamins!
Oh, look, it's your vitamin.
I meant vitamins.
These are the same vitamins that my kids actually take. These are super cute.
Ooh, I have another thing to swap.
Another swap. All right.
And also we can maybe swap out the Jello, cereal.
Ooh. Oh, yay. We got some Otter Pops.
Otter Pops.
So cute.
Otter Pops.
It's like a whole big old otter box. And it looks like it even opens, but I don't want to open it. I don't want to break it.
If we get another one, we'll check.
These are giant Otter Pops. Super cute.
Anybody get a frozen moment in our last one?
Ooh, we got a little lipstick. Oh, so cute.
Yeah, we still have another one right here.
Look at that. Oh, it's going fuzzy. We got a little actual lip gloss. That is adorable.
A frozen moment. Get a frozen moment. Get a frozen moment. This is our last ball.
Oh, of course your dad's trying to call me. You're gonna have to wait. Oh, and then our favorite cereal, Fruit Loops. No frozen moment today. I'm sorry. Okay, now we're back to mini brand. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got.
My turn to open it.
What do we got? Oh,
It was my turn to open it.
we got some spinach and artichoke. Spinach and artichoke. Let's put that. We'll just put them right down here. We got some spinach and artichoke dip. Yum, yum, yum. And then got the collector's guide. And we have some golden Krispies. Looks like we got a duplicate, but that's okay. Every store needs more than one of every product. They're falling apart here. All right. Now, oh, we got another Hershey's bar. So cute. This one's just falling apart. Oh, it's like, oh, we got some more apple pie spice. These are so cute. I really like these. These are adorable. Not in the house. Outside, buddy.
A crazy brother came out.
He's just bringing his bubble lawnmower. And then we got some Velveeta cheese. Get that Velveeta. Let's put that right there. Super cute. There we go with another mini brand series 3.
Yes, I have met.
Ooh, Mr. Goodbar.
Mr. Goodbar.
Mr. Goodbar.
Mr.
Yum, yum, yum.
Something fell behind.
Yeah, it's because you're jumping up and down. You're making the camera shake. Please don't touch the table. Please, please. All right. What else we got? What else we got?
Duplicate.
Another golden crispy.
You guys, if you guys follow us, you can get one of these or one of these.
Oh. Okay. No, it's next.
Surgery.
Oh, jeez, dear. On my head.
Duplicate.
Oh, another duplicate. That's okay. That's okay.
Duplicates are good.
Oh, that's nice.
Duplicate.
Oh, wait, no. This one is one of the...
Wait, this one's glowing. This one's shiny.
this is one of the shiny ones. This is one of the metallic.
Yeah, we got
So
a
it's
metallic.
like... So they have gold, glow in the dark, and they have metallic.
We got the
We
metallic.
got a metallic one. Ooh. We'll put that up to the next to our gold one. That's where the specials. Awesome.
Some whatever this is called.
Oh, we got a little ranch dressing. Super cute. Don't be putting stuff away.
Duplicate. We're going to be opening a Series 3 mini brand.
There we go. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh,
We have a duplicate.
a duplicate.
Put that right on
hold
top.
They may not have seen it before. We got some pure collagen. They really love their collagen. This is our second type of collagen that they have. Ooh. Oh, we got some more Jell-O. We got some more Jell-O, but you
Wait.
can never have too much Jell-O.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it's like a smaller Jell-O. Oh, because one must be Series 3, and one must be Series 4. I guess
No,
they
Mommy.
changed
No.
the shape. Oh, no. Look at that. That's why. Oh, we're dorks. Okay.
Ooh, we got some spicy stuff.
Oh,
When
my
you guys,
favorite.
when Dad wants this, if he asks me, I'm gonna give him this.
Oh my gosh. It's our favorite Tapatio. There's another thing we can use in our TikTok.
Like, are you just gonna be like walking around doing stuff, and then you're just like, what?
No, you'll see. Ooh.
Duplicate.
This is our third apple pie spice. But it is super cute. It is super cute.
Look.
Ooh, Mr. Goodbar.
Duplicate.
But we love our candy bars.
Mhm.
Put it right down there with Mr. Goodbar. Is that all from that one? That one is all done. All right, mini band series 3. Here's another ball. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Did you put the eggs away? Ooh, we got some creamy Alfredo. Yum, 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 yum. Super cute. Put that up there.
Mommy, we have a cookie snaggle on a... Mommy, we have a cookie snaggle.
I feel like these are upside down somehow. That's new. Look, we got some hot dogs.
Oh, there's a so cute.
I know. Oh, look at that. We got some wieners. We got some wieners.
We got some hot dogs.
We got some wieners.
No, they're called hot dogs.
They're called wieners.
They're called hot dogs.
They literally say wieners on them. All right, and then we got some unsweetened almond milk.
What's unsweetened?
Means there's no sugar or I don't know. All right. Oop. And some chicken wings. We got some chicken wings.
Can I see?
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
That's it. Look at it.
All right, is that all? 1, 2, 3. I feel like I have one more. Oh, it's in here hiding. Oh, I feel like I have an accent all of a sudden.
What's that mean?
And then we got another gold Hershey's.
Oh my.
We got
If
a
you send
gold
us 2 gifts, you
Hershey's.
can get the golden.
This is, they can't send gift. We are not live on TikTok. All right, 3 balls left. Mini Brand Series 3. All right, let's see what we got. What do we got? What do we got? Oh,
More Jello.
we got,
Oh, look, it should be this way.
yeah, we got some more Jello, but these are super cute. You can never have too many Jello. How cute is that? How cute is that?
So Jello.
No, it's so chewy. How come the Fruit Loops are so much smaller than the Golden Crisps? Maybe a different series. Ooh. We
those are
got
cute.
some really cute. It's the Laughing Cow. Oh my gosh, a cheese spread. I was just totally drawing a blank right there. Super cute. All right, and what do we have next? Oh, some shake and bake.
Bake.
You gotta be an 80s kid to understand the shake and bake. Shake and bake. Oh, so cute.
This will go.
I love some shake and bake. All right, what's next? We got one more?
We got
2 more. Ooh, some more hot dogs. You can never have too many hot dogs. The hot dogs are adorable. They are so cute.
We have the 100. This is the 100.
Another
ice cream.
Yay! These are so
Whoa.
cute. I absolutely love these. These are so cute.
So cute.
And that is our last ball today. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe. We are a new mommy and daughter duo. Have a good day.